this side. Outside nobody's hired there.
You got any questions or?
Not really, just take a look.
Yeah.
I'm a signaller, so
okay, cool.
Wakes me up at 3 o'clock in the morning when it's on HTT.
So that'll be your nemesis.
The dread you put 9. Yeah. I've had it from me before actually.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can I just ask you, do these go down to Sizewell?
Yes, I think so. So all our nuclear trains will have 68s or 88s.
Okay, because these have 37s and 20s.
Yeah, not anymore. We've not got any of them anymore. And you're quite far from the front as well, to be honest. Because on 66s you sat quite far forward, you can see the buffers, but you can't on these.
Bit easier to not manoeuvre, but link up to carriages. And
on 66s, yeah. And the buffers don't give on these either.
Right.
So shunting's interesting.
No sprung buffers?
No, they are sprung, but they're just very hard.
Oh, right.
So it's not like the old attraction where they give quite a lot. So yeah, shunting's a fine art.
Is there a lot to understand about the screens and things?
Yeah, so you have to know what all the buttons do. I don't know what these screens do because they're passenger screens and we've not done any passenger work because this is an ex-Transpennine loco. But yeah, the screen over there that says Loco Main is the brain of the loco. You can find out everything about it from there and it'll tell you if there's any errors or faults or...
All the oil pressures or hydraulic pressures.
Yeah. You've got your menu at the bottom that tells you everything. So you've got pressures, you've got your ETS screen, propulsion will tell you what your engine's doing.
Yeah.
High voltage will tell you all about your electrics. So yeah, you can find out most things from that you'll need to know as a driver. And then all the errors will come up and you can decide what to do. Whether it's nothing or
making a cup of tea.
Oh, they don't have that unfortunately, yeah. They need to put like a coffee machine here, don't they?
know.
There's only Johnny that signs on that train.
Yeah.
And I don't know what the establishment is of Doncaster drivers these days.
There is
Because
well,
the depths are there.
yeah.
There won't be that many.
No.
They won't be as big as Leeds.
No. It's only- Not allowed. We can go back to Tracy. Great.
Thank you everyone for joining us today on this DRS open day, this charity day. We're delighted to have so many people here, and it's a great day. We are going to obviously name this loco now, and this is a somber moment for us because we're naming it in memory of a very cherished colleague, Charlie Burrs, who's very sadly passed away last year. And we're delighted that so many of his family could be here and his wife Wendy. We know it's a hard moment. He's very much missed by us, and I know he's missed by you guys too. I think it's worth saying a few things about Charlie. He's been a big part of this company, this company's success. He was with us for 23 years. In that time, he saw us grow from a very small company to something really special, which we're celebrating today. And I think it's something he was always very proud of. And when I remember personally Charlie, I worked with him for the last few years. I mean, there's three things that stick out. Firstly, he was great at his job. He was a great fitter. He knew his job, and he was, as I said, he was part of our success. Secondly, he cared about the company. And as I came into the company, I you want to get to know it, and he was somebody who was very strong with his views, never held back about what should be changed and what should be better and what was good about it. He was great support in that regard. And finally, I think the thing about Charlie is he cared about people. He was a member of the TSA union, and that meant a lot to him. And he was always challenging me on how we should be treating people and how we could do better. So those aspects of Charlie are something that's still really missed in our organisation today. And it's a sad day, but it's right that we name this loco after. I'm just going to hand over quickly to Ian, who's going to say a few more words.
They just asked me to say a few words from the point of view of the lads who used to work with Charlie. Massive character, Charlie Bears. And absolutely consummate professional. Superb at everything he did. Mechanical, electrical, no, not a problem for Charlie. And great colleague, sadly missed. His work for the union speaks for itself, you know, selfless, wonderful bloke. I'll pass it back to the microphone back. Thank you very much.
Cheers, Ian. Thanks for that. So, it's with I think we're gonna name it now, and I'm really proud of this moment to name it after Charlie in his memory.